So first color we're going to be melting is kind of a green pumpkin. I added in pretty much an entire bag of these because I'm not going to use them. This one doesn't have the claws on them, but it's really flat. I don't really like those. And I already have a whole bunch of craws. And then I had brush hogs. I never use brush hogs ever. And I've had multiple bags of them, so I said we're going to just throw these in there. And these are old too, so I'm going to go ahead and throw them in the microwave. Okay. We're back out at another pond, got it rigged up. Yeah, I got the black one rigged up because it was a little messed up right there on the tail. And since I'm doing a giveaway for you guys, I didn't want to include that one, so I figured I'd just use it myself. It still works fine. And maybe we can get an action shot if you can see that. It looks exactly like I expected it to look. So something has it. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Oh, something took it. God, that's bullshit. Okay, well, I'll try again. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the video today. Didn't catch anything, unfortunately. I had 2 bites and I didn't hook up on either of them, but that's okay. But we are going to be doing a giveaway for this video, so if you want to enter that, all you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that you stay posted for that. I'm going to contact somebody down in the comments, and I'm just giving away some of the extra crawdad lures that I made. So somebody will hopefully win that. I tried doing this once before and nobody really commented besides a few people, so they ended up winning as well, but it's free fishing lure, so hopefully you guys will take that opportunity and y'all have a good rest of your day.